Remodeling projects are a large investment, and you want to make sure you're working with somebody that you can trust. By working with a Pella Certified Contractor, you can be confident you made the right decision. The Pella Certified Contractor program is a partnership between Pella and highly qualified contractors across the country, and it provides confidence and peace of mind for our homeowner customers. Contractors in the Pella Certified Contractor program get continuous education on our products and installation methods. They're certified in the Pella installation process, and they're background verified. Our Platinum Certified Contractors are in an exclusive group. Only 1% of contractors nationwide are at this highest level designation of our Pella Certified Contractor program. So by choosing those contractors, you know you're working with the best of the best. So when you work with a Pella Certified Contractor, you already get warranties on the products that are some of the best in the industry. And now, we're excited to offer the Pella Certified Contractor Warranty, available exclusively from our Platinum Pella Certified Contractors. If an installation issue were to arise, the Pella Certified Contractor Warranty is there to support you. With the Pella Certified Contractor Warranty, you can have complete peace of mind that your windows and doors will be taken care of.